in the middle, and then the sides, we cut it a bit here. Mahaba kasi gunting mo ni ano. See? And then it make like this. And the other one, talim eh. See? Without layer, ah. Ang kirot. Shoot. Ang dami ko pa namang gagawin tong wig na to. Nasugat ako. No. Inside, because we are doing V shape. No, the bob cut. Halika, bebe. Get the middle.